Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? We're going back to another video, making Seven Channel, man. Oh boy, I got pulled over, man. I got fucking pulled over. I get overly pulled over. And I got a fucking ticket. So, before I tell the story of time and how I got pulled over, I need y'all to do me a fucking favor. I need y'all to do 3 things. I need y'all to subscribe. We're on the road to 2,000. Then I need y'all to like the video. 4 things. Like the video. Comment the car that you drive. Then I need y'all to watch the video all the way through, y'all. Y'all, we are so close on watch time on this channel to getting paid. It's not even funny. And now that I got a ticket, like, I need to get paid by tomorrow, y'all. Like, bills is getting heavy over here, y'all. I really need y'all help, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, I really need y'all to watch the video all the way. I really need y'all to watch all the videos, watch all my POVs, watch all my content, watch that shit all the way through, man. We are so close to getting paid on YouTube. It's not even funny on this channel. So I need y'all to lock in for me and do what y'all do best and support me, man. I love y'all. I appreciate those that have been doing it. Yeah, so let's talk about how I got pulled over and how I'm getting fucked. So if y'all don't know, lately I have not been working because I hurt my back. Now, the last 3 weeks I have not got a paycheck though, because I'm waiting to return to go back to work, and they was homing on my review and things of that nature. But now I'm finally going back next week, but paycheck might be, you feel me? So I gotta pay my car note, my insurance, and now $164 ticket within a 2-week span, y'all. Within a 2-week span. And I got a credit card payment due. And I got like $60 in my account. So yeah, I need y'all to really lock the fuck in and watch these videos, y'all. I need y'all help. I need y'all help. I need the big one, you feel me? I need the big one. So I was driving, you feel me? I was outside cleaning my car, right? I was detailing my own car, right? I didn't have my wallet on me. After I got done cleaning the inside of my car, things of that nature, I'm like, man, my floor mats are dirty as hell. I'm like, I need to go clean my floor mats. So I'm like, I swear to God, in my head, I'm like, I should go back in the house for something. I'm like, what the fuck am I supposed to go back in the house for, right? I keep thinking, I'm like, debating, like, so I'm like, nah, fuck it, I'm just gonna leave. I'm just gonna hurry up, leave, come back, right? Y'all, I'm driving, normal little drive, you feel me? Normal little drive, shit smooth, right? And out of nowhere, bro, I'm pulling up to the fucking, I'm literally like, ooh, ATVs. I'm literally like 0.3 miles away from the place, bro. And it's like kind of like an expressway kind of ish situation. Then there's a shoulder lane, right? And then right into the shoulder lane, it turns into the turn lane. So there's 5 cars in front of me, I swear to God. 5 cars in front of me. They're all turning. So I follow them because I'm turning as well, thinking it's the turn lane. And as I'm driving, I already peeped that there was a cop behind me, right? But I'm like, I'm not doing nothing. It's like, I'm not doing nothing illegal. I'm not speeding nothing. I'm literally stuck in traffic. We were all going like 20 miles per hour. So like, you feel me? And then I'm literally looking at that ass, right? So I'm like, oh, I know I'm cool. I ain't got nothing to worry about, right? And then, bro, tell me why. As soon as I follow those cars into that damn turn lane, right? I see the cop behind me. I'm like, damn, when the fuck he get behind me? There was just 3 cars in front of him. Like, what the fuck? Now he behind me, but I'm not even like tweaking out nothing. I'm still blasting my music. I'm blasting fucking DDG song with Shabuzi Outlaw still. Windows down, sunroof down, vibing, right? And I'm literally about to turn into the gas station, right? I have my turn signal on. So I know I'm cool on the turn signal, right? And then I see somebody got pulled. I already see somebody getting pulled over. Like somebody was already getting pulled over and shit in front of me. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'm like, all right, cool. The cop just fucking, whatchamacallit, he was just gonna turn in here with me. Right as I'm getting ready to turn in, his lights turn on. I'm like, oh shit, there must be an emergency. He need to hurry up and get in here. So I'm turning, and I go park to go to one of the I go park to turn into the little vacuum cleaner shit, right? Hold on, this man tweaking. I'm literally pulling into the vacuum cleaner shit, and then the cop to lock in real quick. The cop follows in behind me and stays behind me. I'm like, what the fuck? Then I'm thinking, oh, maybe he just blocking off the intersection right there. Then I'm like, nah, something seemed off. I'm like, let me not hop on my car yet. Y'all, if I would have hopped on my car, bro, I might have been dead, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I didn't even know I was getting pulled over, gang. I didn't even know. Like, I dead ass would have got out the car, gang. I might have got tased. I might have got beat on. I might have got shot or something, gang. Because I did not know I was getting pulled over. I swear to God. And something told me, like, stay in the car real quick. So I stayed in the car. And then I'm like, just in case. Like, I'm not even like on some just in case shit. I did that just generally like looking for my wallet, gang. I'm like, fuck, I ain't got my ID. I ain't got my driver's license. The next thing you know, as I'm doing that shit, as I'm tapping and looking around and shit, I see the cop pop out the car coming towards me. I'm like, yo, I put my hands on the steering wheel so goddamn fast, bro. I did not want to make it like I was reaching for something, hiding nothing, none of that shit, right? And he was like, hello, sir. I'm like, hey, what's going on? He was like, just to let you know, I have a body cam on, I'm recording everything. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, I got pulled over twice. I got pulled over for speeding. I got a warning, and nobody ever told me about a body cam. I got pulled over on the expressway for speeding, got a ticket. Bro never told me about a body cam. So now I'm tweaking out a little bit. I'm like, why the fuck he telling me about a body cam? This is my third time getting pulled over, and nobody ever told me shit about a body cam before. Why the fuck he saying it now, bro? I'm like, what the fuck? He was like, yeah, do you know why I'm pulling you over today? I'm like, nah, why you pulling me over? He like, I'm pulling you over because you drove in the shoulder, and we have a sign saying don't drive in the shoulder. I know there's 5 other cars in front of you that did the same thing and drove into the shoulder to get to the turn lane, but you're the one that got caught. I'm like, what? I'm like confused as fuck. I generally thought that shit was the turn lane I turned into. I'm like, that was the shoulder? I thought that was the turn lane. He was like, nah, that was the shoulder. Do you have your driver's license? Da 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 da. I'm like, nah, I don't got it on me. He's like, do you got a picture of it? I was like, nah. I like, my mama could send it to me though. He was like, nah, that's good. Then I'm like, and he was like, do you have insurance? I'm going through my phone, looking for the insurance. I put up the insurance. I was looking at my insurance. I'm like, you need my name? Because on my insurance, on my insurance, there's 3 cars. I got my car, my dad's car, my brother's car, but all 3 names pop up on that bitch because we're all able to drive each other's cars through the insurance. We got insured like that. So I'm like, you need my name, right? Well, I didn't say it like that. I'm like, you need my name? He was like, yeah, and he wrote my name down. Woo woo. Then it goes in the car for like fucking 10 minutes. I'm like, damn, let me find out I got a warrant out for my arrest or some nut ass shit. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. Nah, I ain't gonna say that shit, never mind. But you feel me? I was confused and shit. I'm like, bro, let me find out I got a warrant out for my arrest on some slow shit that I don't even know about. Maybe a ticket or something. I don't even know. Woo woo. You feel me? I'm like, swear, man, what? I'm like, swear, this is how they get me. I'm like, swear, this is how I go to jail. Bro, have y'all ever had like weird ass dreams where y'all go to jail and shit? Like, y'all ever had them weird ass dreams? So I'm thinking in my head, like, damn, what if one of those dreams was like a manifestation, like in a bad way though? You feel me? He came back out. I seen the pan flip as soon as he got the car. I'm like, oh my fucking God, bro. And then as soon as he came up to my car, I thought about it. I'm like, damn, it's the end of the month. I guarantee you if it wasn't the end of the month, bro ass would probably give me a warning and some more shit. But they guys gotta get paid and shit. They trying to make their money and some more shit. I was mad as hell, y'all. Like, I swear to God, I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna pay my car insurance, my car note, and this ticket, bro. Within the next 2 weeks, I swear to God, I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna do it. We're gonna have to make some shake. Hopefully, I go back to work. And the next 2 weeks, I'm working 40 hours a week. I get paid weekly. So hopefully them checks, like fucking $500-$600 a piece. Cause I'm gonna need it, gang. I'm gonna need it. That's why I need y'all to tune into the channel, man. Make sure y'all watch all the videos all the way through. You feel me? But yeah, man, that's how I got pulled over on some nut ass shit, man. So now what I'm going to do is, when I go to the place I'm going to right now, I'm gonna take a picture of my driver's license, so at least I have a picture of my driver's license. Cause I got it in the phone I'm recording on, but I didn't have that phone on me, y'all. And that's my recording phone, so it makes sense why I got it on that phone. But like on my regular day-to-day phone, like I didn't have it on me, which sounds dumb. But like, you feel me? I record my POVs. I be out recording all the time with this phone. But like on a day-to-day basis, I don't always have it on me. So I'm about to fix that problem now. Because technically I was supposed to get 2 tickets, but they gave me a pass because it's illegal to be driving without having a physical copy of your driver's license on me. So I was supposed to get 2 tickets, and he gave me a pass and only gave me the one for the shoulder. Man, who would have ever thought that I would get a ticket for driving in a shoulder? And like, who would have thought that dumbass shit? Man, I thought it was gonna be like speeding, cause the way I be driving, motherfucker, I be driving 80, I be doing like 80, 85 in a 30, fuck you talking about. But that's gonna wrap the story time up, man. I hope I gave y'all an entertaining storyline, and I hope this motivates y'all to watch my content all the way through, and to give support, and to like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the video, share the video, watch the video all the way through, watch more videos all the way through, and support me, man, because I'm gonna need y'all help this month. Yeah, I ain't going back to y'all. I'm gonna need y'all help. I need May to be the best month possible with this content shit, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I need May to be heavy. I need y'all to lock the fuck in before I tweak the fuck out. I ain't gonna lie. I need y'all to lock the fuck in. So make sure y'all watch these videos, subscribe, and we're gonna make this a great month. Got a lot of great content. I was supposed to drop a review video on the pressure washer, the viral pressure washer that's on TikTok that you use to wash your cars and shit. But I forgot to press record when I was doing this shit. So let me know if you actually want that video or not still. I'll make sure I'll drop it next month, because I honestly got everything recorded for this month already. So I'll make sure I drop it for next month, things of that nature, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Bow.